Okay, for our science biography, we're reading about Blaise Pascal's life. First question for your exam. How did Blaise defend Christianity?
He wrote the defense. He wrote the defense from sa Christians and kinondemn yung mga maling teaching sa Christianity ng mga ibang tao na, na parang yung group nila parang Jansenist, parang Jansenist ba yung group nila
Dito?
yun. Tapos
So what did he say? That's what I want to say.
sinabi niya na yung parang yung Pope ay parang
What did Blaise say to defend Christianity? Ano bang sabi niya? Bakit daw ba tayo maniwala sa Christianity? Bakit tayo maging Christian?
it's a wager kasi sabi niya we should wager kay God and the faith. We should put our faith in God. It's a wager daw kasi sabi niya sa Duke Rowanez yan ba yun sabi niya it's a wager
Meaning?
na dapat we should if we put our life ourselves in the world magiging happy there for a while and go to hell and happy there for a while or to take kay God na mag-suffer tayo pero mag-enjoy man to later on. We should wager our in God. We should bet in God kasi dapat we have faith in God. Faith is doing something kahit hindi mo you just have faith, you do it even though you can't see it, you can
Bakit daw ba true ang Christianity?
kasi good, parang ganito ito sabi niya, parang good is dahil kasi di ba good tayo
Good sin.
kasi di ba good yung Christianity, good yung pinapagawa sa atin ni God kaya gawin na natin yun ba sabi niya parang yung sabi niya yun yun.
So, can you tell me pala, what did he write in the defense of Christianity?
I forgot na pero parang
Just
yun
what
nga, yung
you
mga
can
dapat yung mga pope na ang mga teachings na parang mali, gano'n ba? Ay, yung mga teachings na iba na parang papalis yung nuns, tapos dapat may mga maling teachings. Like, siguro yung mga teachings like, siguro yung mga teachings na mga mali, siguro, na mga mali ng ibang tao, parang inano niya, pinakondang niya.